Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Analytics and sign in with the account you will use. Click Admin in the lower left and create a new GA4 property. Choose a property name, your reporting time zone, and currency carefully. Click Create and follow the Setup Assistant to add a data stream. Select Web and enter your website URL and stream name. Copy your measurement ID that starts with G and keep it handy. Install the G tag, JS snippet, or use Google Tag Manager to implement it. GA4 tracks events differently versus Universal Analytics, focusing on flexible event parameters. You can enable enhanced measurement to capture page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, and file downloads automatically. Create custom events when you need specific interactions beyond the automatic ones. Mark important events as conversions to report goals like signups or purchases. To create an event, use the Events section and define conditions and parameters. Use the Analysis Hub and explore reports to build custom funnels and path analyses. Customize standard reports by adding comparisons, secondary dimensions, or event parameters. Build audiences based on user behavior to use in Google Ads and remarketing campaigns. Link Firebase, Search Console, and Ads accounts for cross-platform insights and attribution. Respect privacy by configuring data retention, disabling user ID when needed, and honoring consent signals. Check attribution settings and conversion windows to align with your campaign measurement goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.